Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we transplant basil into a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. All right, so these 3 pots is going to be basil, and it's finally warm enough that we can bring it outside. And they've been in these pots for a really long time, but they don't mind being transplanted. So we're just going to wiggle these guys apart. And I'll put at least 3 plants per pot. So we just get these separated. They are a little big to transplant. We might lose some, but we'll just put a few extras in. Oh, they smell amazing. So they come out here. I like to grow them in the shade. So we are going to grow them under the cloth. They can grow full sun, but they get a little rough. I know in the past we've grown them in between the tomato plants, and that's helped with a little bit of shade for them. And it's 2 in this one. 2. That's kind of how it's going. Yeah, there's a little guy and a big guy. I am feeling like some material off the top of a couple of these. So we're going to go ahead and take the top out, and then we can eat that part. But that just gives the plant a chance to get those roots developed before it has to support such a big top. So it's just a little insurance for us to get our basil to transplant in better. Oops. And then I want to get the water on these within 20 minutes. Luckily we're in the shade right now. Otherwise we'd have to get the water on them a little sooner. Okay. There. So we got a little snack. This pot's cleaner. I'll just set them in there, and then I can take that to the house. And then we're going to go ahead and mulch this down just in between the plants. Give them a chance here. And then I'm going to keep a real close eye on the water on these guys this week. So I may be in here with the hose, just kind of spot watering a few things. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show, Year 10, Week 7. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.